is that? Are you taking a picture or are you just...
No, I'm taking a video of it.
Oh.
I wanted to get the hiccups. Are you hiccuping? Huh? Elizabeth. Yeah? Are you drunk? You lush. Yeah. You come over to visit and you pass out in the chair, hiccuping, drunk. Baby in the chair. Oh. What if she, like, from this point on, she doesn't stop hiccuping for like 4 years?
No, fuck. Dude, wouldn't that, like...
That would probably hurt pretty damn bad after a while.
Yeah, no kidding.
Maybe even kill you. I wonder.
Alright now.
Baby warning number 37. Hiccuping from the time of birth.